There are a lot of the vehicles to be restored everywhere. Power problem, noisy vibration, and emission problem, and high fuel consumption. Here, we introduced our world unique nanographene-based self-engine restorer, alternative solution to improve the old used vehicles and immediately restore the engine problems. Many people use the lubricant oil additives to improve the engine performance. Most of the engine oil additives use the cheap chemical-based coating ingredient like Teflon, or very harmful molybdenum, or metallic particles like nickel-silver alloy, tungsten, or platinum, or titanium, or ceramic particles like silica, boron, and artificial diamond. This kind of the ingredient are not so stable and high temperature of the engine chamber. So these additives has no effective or temporary very small differences before and after application. Don't waste your money with the long additives. People used to say nanographene is a wonder and the dream material of the next generation. So some China and India used to produce the graphene-based additive using a normal cheap graphene materials, which is supplied by the graphene manufacturers, or very cheap priced expandable graphite, so-called as the imitation graphenes. This graphene material is used for the industrial purpose like semiconductor, solar panel, and construction and the packaging materials. This graphene is not so suitable in the lubricant oil. This additive cannot achieve the reasonable effectiveness to improve the better engine performance. We Nanotech developed the proprietary RGO, reduced graphene oxide. Our graphene specially used only for the lubricant oil with a stable and the perfect dilution into the oil and maximize the basic lubricant ability with the ball bearing function, high rate of the anti-friction, anti-corrosion, and the fast thermal conductivity to reduce the oxidizing and extend the lifetime of the lubricant oil. Very stable in the high temperature up to the 1,200 degrees centigrade, 200 times stronger than metal, and the world's thinnest and the lightest material. When our graphene-based oil additive under the name of the GA is simply mixed into the conventional type of the all engine oil, where the strongest and the thinnest graphene layer is forming on the worn-out engine surface immediately, improve the restoring the engines, improve the great engine performance, more powerful, more silent, smooth running, the less smoking, and the pure savings. All conventional type of the lubricant oil simply switch it to multifunctional premium lubricant oil when mixed with our nanographene technology. Inject the additive into your vehicles and drive half an hour. If no improve the differences before and after, it's useless and you waste your money. Alternative to improve the old used vehicles, immediately restore the old engine with lower cost, immediately improve the engine performance, more quiet, more powerful, less smoking. Totally different grade effectiveness compared with the existing lubricant oil additives. Try our GA on your own vehicles to realize the amazing engine improvement within half an hour drivings. Likely, our proprietary nanographene GA is a real car care aftermarket solution. Alternative business opportunity in comparative automotive aftermarket and the lubricant oil industries.